Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have another website. Website is related to real estate website, and you can go on your Google Chrome and search the website. And his website name is Plaster, Placeester, Plaster, and you can search on Google, and Plaster is here website. Today we are talking about this website is providing build you build to give brokers completely control. This website is related to real estate property and lettings like that. If you need to any house in UK and USA, you can also search this website. Is Here is the brokers, and they was help you to find your home and sell out your home and buy your home, like offices and some like that. uh, we have many peoples are here. Okay, we can check the prices of this. Here is the monthly price is $79. You can get start, and here is $199 monthly, and this is an optional setup on $79, and 501 of custom setup free. Okay, here is the one of the package is his package is $319. $319 is a monthly saving, $500 one of custom setup free. Okay, here is the video. You can also check the Google video and features brokers, and we have custom web designing, terminational display, unlimited portion packages, something like that, and we have maximum result on this website. And here is the resource marketing agency knowledge base webinar. We can check the this 107 real estate marketing ideas checklist. Here is the we have maximum ideas. uh, for example, you can check like that, how should you approach creating your website and something like that. You have I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and also share this video with your friends, and that's it. Okay guys, we will meet you another video. Bye, cheers.